Good morning, Sequoyah.
Now it is time for the Talon News.
Are you going on Thanksgiving Day to those family celebrations? Passing on knowledge down through the years at the gathering of generations. Every year it's the same routine all over the American dream. It's all over.
Soaring Eagles today. First, we have Chastity Hernandez. She turned in a hat to the main office. Good job, Chastity.
And Justin Hamilton, he also turned in a hat to the office. Make sure you go get your stuff from the office.
Please nominate any Soaring Eagles for doing a good deed.
If you want to join the Fellowship Christian Association, it is the first Monday of every month at 4 p.m. in Mr. Johnson's room, room 8206.
There will be no school this up and coming Wednesday through Friday because of Thanksgiving break, or it's better known as Turkey Day.
Senior pictures appointment times were mailed. If you didn't get a card, check Miss Lowry classroom door with your appointment time.
Welding, they're selling stamped jewelry up until Christmas. Necklaces and bracelets are $5 each. There will be a table set up during lunch that you can order them at.
Fall picture retake day is on November the 27th. So if you need to retake your pictures, head down to the main office to get an order form.
And now we go to our Thanksgiving skit with head chef Bill and MedCorps assistant, myself, Daniel. Hello. This is our Thanksgiving. Bill?
Hey, look, I'm the head chef here. Can you, quit it with the words?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, hey.
Yeah,
Hey. Look, okay? I gave you the internship. You can at least be grateful, alright?
But I'm one of the chefs. I'm one of the chefs. You're just head chef, right? Yeah.
You're basically not a chef, my dude. Come on.
Exactly. All right.
Okay.
Welcome
Hello,
to-
Guys. Hey.
Okay.
Look.
Go ahead.
Do you get paid as much as me? No. Yes or no? Do you
Wait.
get paid as much as me?
You get paid?
Yeah.
Let's just go. Go for the introduction.
Hello, guys. Welcome to our Thanksgiving special. Today, we will be making an array of food. First, we will be starting with a delicacy of multiple people. We need seasoned meat. That is what makes anything good. Now we're gonna get our special sauce here, and we are going to ingest each one with it.
It's kind of hot. Are you sure you're doing that right?
Yeah. Look, I get paid.
That's a lot of shit. Oh, hey, you gotta move
Look, I know what I'm doing here, man. Alright? Look, I'm the one who gets paid. Alright, so what we want to do, pour a little water on here.
Got paper towels.
We want to get it pre-moistened before we dip it in our secret stuff. I want to carefully place these. And now you see how they are evenly placed.
Oh, whoa.
Look,
Yeah,
man.
this is-
Look, we're recording. Come on, if you can't even open a can, what are you doing here? You know what? Cut that part out. All right.
You're dripping.
So now we carefully placed them. Now we wait for them to cook. While that's cooking up, I'm gonna start up on my bread. Alright, so now that we have the bread, Alright, the good thing about flour is that it's edible if you cook it. So what we're going to do is boil that real quick with my special technology. Alright, I'm pretty sure it's boiled now. And now we're going to put a secret ingredient to make this the perfect thing.
That's the power of fine salt.
We're gonna get this ready to cook. And now, as you can see, I have perfectly cooked that bread. Now, if anyone wants to challenge me on my bread cooking abilities, I am perfectly okay with that. Bon appetit.
This is Thanksgiving. Hello, Sequoyah. My name's Daniel, and I'm here to tell you about Thanksgiving, the tradition that we all know and love. Every year it comes around, and we all celebrate it around the world. Thanksgiving was known since back in October of 1621, and it was very popular. It became very popular throughout the years, and we still celebrate it to this day, as well as Christmas and other holidays. Thanksgiving is not only a time just to sit around and have food and talk about things, it's a time to truly be thankful for the things that you have in life. And I think sometimes we take that for granted, and we forget about the important things that we have. So Thanksgiving is not only just food and fun and happiness. It's about the true meaning. The true meaning of being thankful for everything that you have in life instead of complaining over the things that you don't. So us here at the AV Club want to wish to you, Sequoyah High School, a happy Thanksgiving.
The camaraderie of the modern man is something magnificent. We can all get together, put aside our differences, until it's dinner time, then we talk about politics. But besides that, sharing is caring, and that is one of the most wonderful things any man, woman, or child could do. Now to you.
Hello guys, I'm Cadet Captain Hunter Jahan. Now, it's my turn. Well, during Thanksgiving, this, a little bit about that. Well, to be honest, if you saw in movies that shows pizza and Thanksgiving, that's probably wrong. They had corn, lots and lots of corn.
Hello guys, my name is Christopher, and I'm going to talk about Thanksgiving. I think Thanksgiving is a very good holiday for Americans, okay? It's a lovely holiday.
Cubs, happy Turkey Day.
What's your favorite part of Thanksgiving?
The turkey.
I love to spend time with my family and see family that I haven't seen all year, and I love the food and the time off from school.
What's your favorite part of Thanksgiving?
Basking in the quiet that is my home. No noise, nothing, it's just peaceful.
Do it again.
What's your favorite part of Thanksgiving?
Me gusta mucho comer la tarta de calabaza.
Birthdays today. On the 18th of November, we have William Butler.
On the 20th, Trinity Eves and Aaron Ledford.
On the 21st, Michael Borowski. And on the 22nd, Jacob McElrath.
And Andrew Miller.
Have a great Thanksgiving, Sequoyah.
Mm-hmm.